Hello everybody, Sam Bell here, and I am going to walk you through this whole retargeting thing. Now, some of you may be very familiar with retargeting, what it is, but for those of you who are not, retargeting basically allows you to remarket to traffic that you already paid for. So if someone comes to your landing page, they come to your squeeze page and they don't take the specific action that you want, whether that be an opt-in, a sale, whatever the case may be, then you have the ability to remarket to them using banner ads and Facebook ads. And the platform that I'm going to be talking about today is Perfect Audience. Perfect Audience gives you the ability to remarket using Facebook right column ads, Facebook link newsfeed ads, as well as banner ads and all the different ad exchanges such as the DoubleClick exchange, Right Media exchange, all the majors. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Now, if you don't already have an account, it's super easy. You just click on start free trial, just type in your email address, password, and sign up. You know, that's it. Generally, once you actually sign up, it's going to take, it takes 24 hours for them to approve you. Generally 24 hours to approve a website, and I'll show you here. I already have sites here that are already approved. I will tell you this though, just so you are aware that you want to make sure that your websites have something on them. So you can see here, basically, if you sign up for a new account and you just came here, you would add a new site. So it basically asks you to add a new site. All right. So you just pretty much come here, and this is what you will see. You will see standard website. Just click on get started. Just put in the site's name and the site main URL. Now, for all of the sites, I've had some sites get approved, some sites that have not gotten approved, as you can see here. This is the first site when I first started using Perfect Audience, and I wasn't aware of this, but it was just a squeeze page, nothing else. So you want to make sure that your site has some content on it. Generally, what I would do is I would set up a website that has a blog, and generally about at least 5 to 6 articles or so. So that's what I did for all of these additional sites. So the majority of the stuff that I market and promote is in the real estate niche. I have some biz op stuff as well, but what I did is I made sure that the sites were built out. So for example, let's go here. This site, I built out a full WordPress blog here. So if someone actually comes here to the site, they can see that there's content here, there's information. It's just not a straight squeeze page. Now, when I send people from my remarketing campaigns to my landing pages, I can send them to any landing page I want. So you can use a squeeze page, but just make sure that there's something, some content, something on the site. Now, once you add your site to Perfect Audience, the next thing you're going to need to do is to place your site tracking tag. All right. So you're going to put this on the pages where you are going to drop your pixels. This is also going to go on your conversion pages. Okay. So this code needs to go on all the pages throughout your funnel. So you want to put it on the page to actually, that's actually going to cookie the site visitors. And you're also going to put this on the pages that the visitor will go to once they complete a specific action that you want them to. So, for example, I will put this on my squeeze page, and then I would also put this code on my thank you page. They also have a WordPress plugin. So if you're using WordPress and you're using WordPress plugins to build your squeeze pages, then this should pretty much cover you. You can download the plugin and install it. All right. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward stuff here. So once you have submitted your website, once you have installed the code, so basically you would just copy this code and put it either on the page or on or using the WordPress plugin, using that. But once you have done that, then what you want to do is you want to actually set up your campaigns. So generally, when I run a campaign, I like to set up banner ads, and I also like to set up Facebook ads. So just to give you some resources here, you want to get some banners created, you can go to Fiverr and get some banners created. You can also go to $20 banner ads. And there are also some banner creator software that you can use that also allow you to create your banners. All right. But what's going to happen is that after 24 hours, they will approve the site and this code will be installed. Now, I want to let you know that they will not allow you to create a campaign until you've had 1,000 visitors. Okay, so it has to be 1,000 cookies have to have been dropped. 1,000 visitors have to have loaded the page. So this number here, when you see that your tag, let's see here, let's see, retargeting list, not tag. All right, so when you see your retargeting list has hit 1,000, then you will be able to set up your campaigns. Not until that happens. So if you go through this whole process, you add your URL, you add the code, and you try to create a campaign, and then you're like, hey, I can't create a campaign. The reason being is that you have to have at least 1,000 visitors. So just be aware of that. So once you reach 1,000 visitors, your domain has been approved. Then you can actually go into setting up your campaigns and creating your ads. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and I would start with ads. And this is how simple this is. So I'm going to click on add a new ad. So this is the Facebook ads. You see we have Facebook, newsfeed, and banners. So I'm going to start with Facebook ads here. So basically what you do is just give your ad a name, give it a URL. I generally use a tracking URL for this, so that way I can see my clicks. And then you use it's the regular right hand column Facebook layout. So you get 25 characters here for a headline. You get your text. Now, one other thing I want to point out is that your ad image has to be exactly 99 pixels by 72 pixels. Perfect Audience does not work like Facebook in that they will not resize your ads for you. So it has to be exactly that. Those of you who have Don's Ad Express software, he already actually has that pre-built into the software. So that way when you create your ads, and I'll pull it up here so that way you can take a look. This is FB Ad Express. When you create your ads, you see where you can actually check here where it says include retargeting. So when you save your ads, it'll automatically include the 99 by 72 size for you. Okay, so you just want to check that when you're creating your ad. So you'll name the ad, put in your tracking URL, your destination URL where you want your ad to go, put in the headline, put in your text, and upload your ad. And then just click on upload and submit for a review. I'll probably make another URL to talk about the tracking, split testing, some other stuff here later on. But just know you do want to be able to track, so that way you can see what's working, what's not working. Okay, and you also have the ability to do that as well with Perfect Audience, and we'll get to that here shortly. So let me just go here and I'll show you. Now, once you actually have your ad created, you can see you can actually just duplicate the ad. So you can just click on clone, and it will duplicate it for you. But let me just go in here so you can see what it looks like here. So you can see this is just a regular Facebook ad. All right. Next is the newsfeed ads. Now the newsfeed ads that they allow you to run are the link-based newsfeed ads. So you can create dark posts and you can create photo ads, video ads, etc. But this one is going to be exclusively pretty much links. So again. I gotta link my Facebook page that I want to run this to. I have a Facebook page that I created for this. Actually, this is the wrong account, because I want to make sure I'm logging into my account that has my ads manager enabled. All right, here we go. All right, so that is, here's my URL. All right, connect our platform to yours. So here's what you're gonna do. You have to, you're gonna add 2 accounts to your page with the role of advertiser. So basically, I'm just going to copy this email here, Okay. And then I am going to go here to edit page, manage admin roles. And then I'm just going to type in his email address. So FBXFactor at Perfect Audience. Okay, and I'm going to make that a manager. I'm going to add one other admin here. And I'm going to add this one right here. All right, and I'm going to add this one as a manager. And I'm just going to click on save. Type in your Facebook password to confirm. All right, good to go. All right, so now they're both managers. So now Perfect Audience can use this page to run my newsfeed ads. So now I'm just going to click on confirm and complete setup. All right, so then now you can create your newsfeed campaign. So again, so your destination URL, your link headline, a little bit about your URL, and again, your image sizes have to be 200 by 200. So you just upload the image and create ad. Again, pretty straightforward, pretty easy to do. Once you do that, then you'll have your target audience. You want to make sure that you target your, you can target your list size if you have it segmented. You can choose specific segments of this list. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to target all. You have geo settings, so if you want to target all countries or specific countries, you have the ability to do that. Also, there are day parting as well, so if you only want these ads to run during certain times of the day, you also have the ability to do that as well. I'm not going to do that in my case. Campaign name, you just give it a name. Weekly budget. Generally, when I run my ads, I'll set a weekly budget of around $50. If I'm seeing that I need to increase that, then I'll do so. Optimized bidding, when it first runs, I'll let it run just to see exactly where I'm coming in at in terms of my actual cost. And then you can always switch it to manual CPM. But just know that those are the only two options, either optimized or manual CPM bidding. Conversion goals. Now this is important here because you want to be able to track your conversions. Now I already have them created here. However, if you did not have conversion goals created, I'm going to show you here right now how you would do that. So let's say if I didn't have any, I would click on create new conversion goal. All right. So let's say if I want to say opt-in. So it's already approved my domain name. So basically the conversion goal would be a page that they're going to go to. So in this case, it would be my thank you page. So it'll be the approved domain name, which is this, right? And then my conversion goal would be, let's say this page here, right? So the only thing I'm going to do is just take this part and put it here, okay? Because they already have the domain name approved. So this is what we need right here. All right, so domain name in this page. So if someone accesses this page, then this will fire the conversion. All right, and I can set how much this is worth to me. So if this is a sale, for example, and this is the buyer's thank you page, then I would put the conversion value. In this case, it's just opt-in, so I'm going to put 0. You can count every conversion or once per user. I generally just do once per user. Okay, I don't want to count the same person converting more than once. All right, and then I will click on create conversion goal. So it's got to be greater than 0. So I'm just going to point 0 on. Let's see. There we go. All right, cool. So now I have my campaign. I have my targeted list. I have my conversion tracking. I have my budget set at $50 a week. Minimum is $25. I already have a card on file. Then I would click on save and submit campaign, and boom, that's it. Now, cool thing is when you first set up with Perfect Audience as well, you only they give you, I believe, a $60 credit to start with. You do have to put a credit card on file, but they will give you a $60 credit to start with, and that's for Facebook ads exclusively. It's not for banner ads, okay? And they do charge your card for each campaign based on the amount that you're going to submit. So in that case, I would just hit save and submit, and boom, that's it. So let me go over here, go to campaigns. I'm actually going to go to ads. So just to show you this, the banner ads as well, same process. They have limits on the sizes, and you want to be aware of that as well. So your banner ads, they can't be any bigger than 40 kilobytes in size, and they only accept 300 by 250, 728 by 90, 160 by 600, 468 by 60, and 120 by 600. Okay, so same thing. Generally, what I do is I'll name my ad. So like I'll have it the name, and then I will give the size for tracking, and I also do that with my URLs as well. So like all my tracking URLs, you can see here, I know exactly what banner size that I have for that campaign, and then I would just click choose file. Okay, you just browse to wherever that file is located on your computer. Select one, upload, and click upload and submit for review. Now once that's done, then I'll go to that one, and then I'll just clone it. It just makes it faster. So I would just clone it, and then if I have another one I'm gonna upload, I'll just rename it, change the tracking code, choose file, save, and update, and that's it. I mean, it's super easy. Like this isn't hard. You know, people try to overcomplicate, you know, retargeting process. With Perfect Audience, they've really simplified it, and anybody can do this. So it's just a matter of just going through the process here. Let's see if there's anything I left out. So I covered campaigns. We've already gone through, set up some campaigns. These are two that I currently have running here. We covered retargeting lists here. In this case, you already see the size of it. We've covered ads. Okay, so Facebook standard ads, Facebook newsfeed ads, and then also banner ads. Conversion tracking, we also covered that as well. Okay. And how you set that up. You can see here, these are some of the conversions. It shows me the ads, etc. All that data is here for you. Site tracking tag, we already covered this. Also FYI too, for your conversion, when you put this code on your conversion page, you can, you see it's commented out here, but you can remove this comment and then put in a conversion value here as well. All right, but again, like I said, it's optional. Site settings, again, that's already there. They have come out with domain blacklist. So if you have, if you're running banner ads and you don't want your banners to show on certain domains, you can list those here, and they will exclude those domains from showing your banner ads as well. Facebook settings, that's already been set up. So no need there. So that's it. Not rocket science. Go out there, set up some retargeting. This will definitely help you increase conversions. It will help you also bring people and engage them back into your funnel. There's all types of creative things. Just don't think about this from, I just want to remarket to my opt-ins. Think about people who go through your sales process. If you have upsells, downsells, or if you have, you know, shopping cart abandonment issues, this is a great way to recapture people. You know, if they're going through your sales funnel and then they leave your page, you can create banner ads, which takes them maybe to a discount. So you can speak directly to them, say, hey, I see you didn't complete your purchase. I'm going to give you a 25% discount. Click here, and then just take them to a page where they can get a discounted price. So, I mean, there's a lot of creative things that you can do when it comes to remarketing. You really have to think outside the box. I kind of just walked you through the process of, just kind of walked you through the process of how to get everything set up and running. But think about how you're going to leverage it, how you're going to use it. You can use this for Teespring campaigns. You can use this for digital products, physical products, a plethora of different things. You know, pretty much anything you can think of, you can use this for. So I hope you enjoyed the video. You got any questions, you know, just leave them comments below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Take care, and I'll holler at you guys later on.